Hello everyone, welcome to part 195 of multi-vendor e-commerce series in Laravel. And from this video, we are going to start working on the user rating and reviews for the products. Okay, so first of all, we are going to add this rating module in any panel, but we are going to create the ratings table first, and after that, we are going to insert some of the ratings with the help of Seeder. Before that, I want to explain you that what exactly product rating and review means. Okay, so you can go to the detail page of any of the product and you can see the users can rate the product. Okay, here you can see the reviews are given here. Okay, reviews for the products. Okay, so the user can able to review every product, like user can set the rating and can give the review as well, and then submit the review. Then all the reviews for the products will be given here. Okay, not exactly the same, but we are going to do we are going to add one of the star rating available online. Okay, so in which we are going to have like name, email. These will not come because we will only allow the logged in user to rate for the product. Okay, so we will have the review as well as the rating. So review as well as the rating the user can do for any of the product, and then once the admin approve the rating and review, and then it is going to show here. So every rating and review admin is going to approve, because maybe there is this spam rating by the user. So we need to make sure that the rating and review is correct, means it's done by the actual user. Okay, so in the Amazon as well, I want to show you that every website nowadays rate for the products. If you will open any of the product on Amazon, then you can see the ratings and reviews here. You can see here, see how much ratings. See 384,342 ratings so far. Okay, and if you will click on this one, then you are going to see there are many reviews as well as rating. You can scroll down and you can check here. Okay, so I think they have provided somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to click it once again. So like this, every website provides here. Okay, so they provide with the images. Okay, so it's our wish that we want to add, we want to allow the images or not. Okay, so right now we will not allow the images. We will just allow the review as well as the rating. Okay, means just the description of the product, that the review of the product, and the star rating, like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, like this the user can able to do. Okay, so let's start working on this thing. And first of all, we are going to create the ratings table. Okay, so in the ratings table, we are going to have few fields like the user ID, product ID, review, ratings, status. Okay, so I'm going to create with migration table. I'm going to create with migration. So I'm going to run here ecom9, right click, services, new terminate folder. Here I'm going to run the migration command, php artisan make migration. Okay, so I'm going to create here, create ratings table. Okay, so ratings table gets created. Sorry, the migration file for the ratings table gets created, so that we can create the actual ratings table. Okay, so we will open this migration file, create ratings. I'm going to see create ratings table. Okay, so it's get created, so we can add the column names here, so that we can run the php artisan migrate command to create the table, ratings table as well. Okay, so first field we are going to add here user ID. Okay, so every rating, see user first required to log in to rate the product. Okay, so the product ID for which the rating is given. Okay, so after this review, okay, so after this we are going to add a rating. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5, okay, that we will give in integer. Okay, see, user id is integer, product id is integer, review means the review of the product, so that we will give in test, and rating can be given in number like 1 2 3 4 5, like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, so that we will give in integer. Okay, so after that status also, maybe the admin can disable any of the rating. Okay, I am going to pick here any integer for the status. Okay, so now I'm going to run the php artisan migrate command to create this table. So you can see the table has been created. We are going to check once. Here we're going to see, yes, ratings table has been created. Okay, so the rating table has been created now. Okay, so now we are going to insert a few of the ratings with the help of seeder. Okay, so but first of all we are going to create the model as well, rating model, php artisan make model rating. Okay, so now we are going to open here, we are going to create the seeder file to create to insert the rating. Okay, in the ratings table, php artisan make seeder rating, we can take ratings table seeder. Okay, so we can open this file, ratings table seeder. Okay, so here we can insert the rating. We will write the query to insert the rating, but first of all we are going to include the model as well, rating model. Rating. Okay, so here we are going to add the rating records in array. We will insert 2 of the ratings here. Sorry, so here going to add like id 1. See, user id, we will give one of the user id, one of the valid user id that is active, that can rate the product as well. I am going to pick from here, from the users. Okay, so that we can pick up the valid user id. See, this one is the valid user id. I'm going to pick the 6 id. Okay, 6, and product id. Okay, see, if I want to rate any product, I will give the product id as 1. Okay, like if I want to rate for some specific product, like I'm going to give here product 1, so I want to rate for this mobile. Okay, this mobile rating the user want to give. Okay, so then suppose the rating is given for this product like it's anything, we can it's really good, something like this. Okay, and I am going to give here the rating as well, and I am going to give here the 4-star rating. Okay, then status I am going to make it active. Okay, like this. So one more I'm going to add here with id 2, and suppose some other user or the same user rate for some other product. Okay, like product id 2, and this time the product id 2 is like t-shirt. Okay, and we can give superb superb t-shirt, superb t-shirt, anything you can add, super t-shirt, superb t-shirt, or we can add fitting is really good, and it's the cotton product. Okay, anything you can add here. Okay, so now I want to give here the 5-star rating, so I will give the rating as 5. Okay, then status 1. I am going to now insert this rating, insert with this one. I'm going to insert this one. Okay, so I want to open the database seeder here. So purpose is like if we will add these records, we can display in admin and can work on active, inactive and delete feature as well, so that we have that thing in admin panel. Okay, so now I'm going to call this seeder. Okay, and you must know that how to add the dummy records with seeder, so that it can help you anytime. Okay, so now I'm going to run the php artisan db seed command. Okay, see, it runs successfully. Now I'm going to check here, so 2 of the records must come up here and it's coming. Okay, user id, product id, reviews are here, rating, status. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Now we are going to show in the admin panel. I'm going to open the admin panel now, and we are going to show ratings module in the admin panel. Okay, so we are going to show, we will add here after orders or after users, we can add the rating management, in which we are going to show the ratings and we'll show here. Okay, so let's start straight away. Okay, I'm going to close this file, and now first of all I'm going to open the sidebar, admin sidebar, and make sure that we are going to add this inside the admin, not the vendor. Okay, so the admin can only approve, the vendor will not approve. Okay, so I'm going to put it after any module. We can put after orders, we can put after products. Okay, we can put after catalog. So I'm going to put it after orders. Okay, you can put it here. I'm going to mention the ratings. Make sure that we must update it everywhere. Ratings. Okay, so here we can mention ratings. I'm going to check here now. Ratings, where here it is. Okay, ratings management, and we can also mention here ratings and reviews. Let's see if it will come in one line. Okay, fine, ratings and reviews. Okay, so now see, we can also mention like product reviews, rating. Okay, it's your wish, whatever you want to write here you can write. Okay, so now the next thing is that we want to create its route, so that we can, but first of all we must create its rating controller. Okay, after that we will create the route. Okay, so let's create the rating controller in admin. Okay, php artisan make controller. Inside admin we are going to create rating controller. Okay, so now I'm going to open here the rating controller. It's not opening. I'm going to see rating controller. Sorry, I have put it wrong way. Okay, so see, it's make sure that you not make this silly mistake. It's slash must become like this, admin slash rating controller. Okay, so now the rating controller must come. Okay, it comes here like this. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, and here I'm going to remove that one, http controller. This one I'm going to remove. Okay, so now we have the rating controller. So our rating controller has been created, and now we are going to create the route. Okay, so we're going to create in web.php file, and here in under admin we are going to create the route. Okay, so I will make it ratings here in comment. So we are going to create the get route for showing the rating in admin panel. Okay, and to make it ratings. Okay, and we are going to add the function in rating controller. Ratings function we are going to create in ratings controller. Okay, here we are going to create this function ratings. Okay, so here we are going to get the ratings in one variables. Okay, from the rating model we are going to include, and we are also going to convert it to array. If you want to convert it to array, you can convert, otherwise you can use the object as well. Okay, so we are going to return this rating in blade file. In under admin we are going to create one folder, ratings folder, and under ratings folder we are going to create one blade file, ratings.blade.php file, and in that file we are going to return all these ratings that we will get here. Okay, ratings, and here I'm also include the model, use app models, rating model I'm going to include. Okay, so here if you want to see that ratings are, it is we can debug it as well, do and die, see, and here see I'm going to click on ratings, and here you can see two of the rating that we have added earlier with Seeder are displayed here. Okay, so it's working fine. So now we can create the rating folder under, go back here, under sources, views, admin, and under admin we're going to create the folder ratings, and under ratings folder we're going to create the new file, ratings.blade.php file. Okay, ratings.blade.php. okay, we are going to create this file. Okay, I'm going to create now, move this txt with php, rating.blade.php. okay, so now I will open this file, ratings.blade.php. so I can copy the admin design from any of the page. Okay, so like we can open the brands.blade.php, and we can copy everything from here to the ratings, and then we can replace everywhere, like brands we can replace. Okay, so I will just, so what I am going to do, I'm going to here will search for this brands everywhere, and see, I'm going to make it ratings and everywhere else. Okay, so like this one we're going to search everywhere to make this ratings here as well, rating. Okay, here I'm going to remove this one, is not required, but we are going to see here. Okay, rating as well, and now I'm going to remove this one, add rating always added from the front, from the users, and here I'm going to add the column that we require here, like id, product name. After product name we are going to add user email, okay, so after that review and rating. Okay, here review will come, user review for the product, and then user rating for the product. Okay, so all we are going to display here. We will make action, okay, for this one. Okay, so here first one is the rating id. Okay, after that product name. So this product name and user mail we will give later. Okay, so because we need to create the relation for both, for product and user. Okay, that we are going to create after this. Okay, for user mail as well we will do later, and but here we can show the review as well as rating. Okay, so here we are going to show the review, and after that we are going to show the rating here. Okay, after that the status will come. Okay, user rating status, and but here edit and delete we can give, but edit I don't think that edit is required, and both we can give in one action. Okay, because if the rating is spam, if the review is spam, then the admin can able to disable or delete it. Okay, but I don't think that the admin is required to edit it as well. Okay, so now we need to see that there is nothing like brand in this page. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so now I will see that I want to view both the ratings, and here the ratings are coming here. Okay, you can see both the ratings are coming, and we need to add here the data table. We need to call the data table for this. Okay, so data tables, I think we are adding maybe here or some other page, or maybe in custom.js. I'm going to see custom.js under admin. Okay, yeah, here all the data tables are here, so I'm going to add the data table for ratings as well. Okay, and here I want to show you that we have given the ratings ID for the table as well. Okay, so that the rating data table we can able to call. Okay, so now you can see the data table has come up, and you can anything you can like if you will search any word, then it will pick from there and it will show the desired result. Okay, so now we need to call the product name and user mail, and we need to create the relation between rating and product, and between rating and user. Okay, two relation we are going to create here belongs to relation, like rating belongs to the product, rating belongs to the user. Okay, so these two relation we are going to create so that we can have the product name as well as the user email. Okay, so later on we will also work on this edit that sorry we can make it this rating active or inactive, and also the delete functionality. Okay, so first of all we are going to create the relation here in rating model. Rating, I'm going to open the model, and here we are going to create two of the relation here. Okay, and one is for the user and another one is for the product. Okay, so first one we are going to create for the user, public function user. See, every rating belongs to the user. Okay, so we are going to have here dollar this belongs to. Okay, belongs to, see, app models user. Okay, so here user ID, and another rating another we are going to add for the product. Okay, sorry, sometime it do like this. So here we are going to add for the product. Okay, so here also belongs to the product as well, and here the we are going to use here product ID. So both we are going to attach here. Okay, with, and both user as well as the product. We are going to check once again that we able to attach it correctly, these two relations we able to define the relation correctly. Okay, I'm going to see here ratings, and the along with the rating user and product information must come. The user information is coming as well as the product information is coming. Okay, so in both cases we able to fetch the user who rate for the product and the product details for which the rating is given. Okay, so we have the complete info. Okay, for that. So now we can able to show this one. Okay, you can easily fetch, like I can fetch the product name here. Okay, you can see that it's coming under product, then the product name is coming. Okay, so we can easily able to fetch it. Okay, dollar rating under product, then the product name. Okay, so for user under user, then name. Okay, or email is also there. Okay, so we can easily call it as well. We can easily use it as well. Rating, then user, then email. Okay, we are now going to check both must come. Okay, I'm going to refresh here. Undefined constant, I'm going to see, yeah, dollar is not there, so that's why. So now we are going to see, now both are coming, Redmi Note 11 and this one is also coming, red casual t-shirt. So we can also provide here link, like if sometime admin want to check for the product, he can able to click it and can open the product details. Okay, so we can also add the link here so that the user can simply clicks and open it. Okay, so here I'm going to add the link for the product. Here I'm going to do it like this, target blank. Okay, so that it will open in new window. href, we are going to add here URL. First one is product. Okay, and after that we are going to add that dollar rating array and product, then ID. Product, under product we will also fetch here the ID like this. Okay, so here once again we can give here this product name here as well, and we can close it like this. And now we are going to check here, link must be there, some issue, URL start product, then okay, now see, now it's fine, and you can see that we can able to click and the product will open, and you can see the product will open. Okay, like this. Okay, so that the admin can able to see that for which product the user is given the rating. Okay, so the admin can also check that the, okay, this is the product, and we can see we can also admin can able to also check the user from here. Okay, from his email ID, like, okay, so this is the user. Admin can check its authenticity, it's that the user is valid or not from here. Okay, so now after checking the rating, its review, the admin can make it active. Okay, and admin can make it can approve it. Okay, and if the rating is not correct, admin can make it disable. Okay, and admin can delete it as well. So we are going to work on this active, inactive and delete. So let's straight away finish it as well. Okay, so like we have done for other modules, the same route and delete functionality we are going to do it for as well. Okay, so I hope that every one of you watch my earlier videos, so it's very easy. So here, update rating status, everything we do with Ajax instantly. We have the common function, okay, for delete, but here for jQuery function we will just copy. So both we are going to do here in rating controller. Here we are going to create this update rating status, and for here as well delete currency, and for delete currency as well, delete rating as well. Okay, like this. So both the function we are going to create under rating controller, we can copy from any of the another module like brand controller. I'm going to copy this two function and can paste here and can make the changes. It will save our lot of time. And here, instead of brand, I'm going to make it rating. Okay, and here as well we can simply here. Okay, so done. Now we are going to create here like we have, you can see banner status, section status, category, brand. We can copy any of the jQuery function and can paste here and can do it. Okay, here see, we're going to update rating status, and here I'm going to modify it as well, rating. Okay, so now we can check here that we can able to make them disable instantly via Ajax, and you can see we able to make them inactive. I am going to refresh, and here the status is now 0, so both are inactive. I can refresh here, and you can see now the status is 0 for both, and we can instantly make the status active. See, it is active now. I'm going to click on, see it is 1 now. Okay, so we can instantly make them active or inactive. So now see this delete functionality, I'm going to click on this delete. Are you sure you won't be able to revert this? So it's also working. If I will click on cancel, then it will not do anything, but if we will click on yes delete it, then it's going to delete this rating, and you can see the rating has been deleted by the admin. Okay, so both the functionalities are working fine. So in the next video, we are going to integrate the star rating script at the front end, okay, in our product detail page. Okay, and we are going to modify our product detail page rating, okay, as per our own requirement, though it's given in the design, but we are going to modify it slightly so that it will look perfect. And we are going to integrate, we're going to search online and integrate one star rating script. Okay, and then we will have this rating module in the front end as well. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time.